Okay, this lesson is on creating a story map of our story. You will have your own story, which I'll give you at the end of this lesson. The story that I'm going to do it on is Mufaro's Beautiful Daughters. And you can listen to the story. It's in the link that is contained also at the top of this lesson, above it. So to create a story map, we will begin by recording a title of the book. And in my case, it's going to be Mufaro's Beautiful Daughters. In your case, it'll be something else. The main character or characters, the setting of the story, the major events in the story, and the theme or the lesson of the story. And so we're going to be working on this lesson all week, and today we're going to do just part of it. So in Mufaro's Beautiful Daughters, the main characters are Nyasha and Manyara, and they are sisters. The setting of the story is it takes place in Africa. It takes place in a village in Africa where there's a farm, and it also takes place in the city. And when did it happen? It was a long time ago. Your turn. Today you're going to read your own story about Goldilocks and the Three Bears in Raz Kids. You will complete the characters and the setting part of the graphic organizer in Notability and submit to this assignment. Do not worry about the events or the theme because those lessons will come on Wednesday and Friday. So just do the characters and setting of your story in Raz Kids, Goldilocks and the Three Bears.